In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to heal in the Lightroom mobile app. By the end, you'll know exactly how to remove small distractions like blemishes, dust spots, or tiny marks using Lightroom's built-in tools on your phone or tablet. First, open the Lightroom app on your mobile device. If you're asked to log in, go ahead and sign in so your edits can sync and save properly. Once you're in, choose any photo from your library that has a small imperfection you'd like to fix. A close-up portrait or a landscape with a few dust spots is perfect for practice. With your photo open, look along the bottom toolbar and tap the Remove tool. Depending on your version, this icon may look like a bandage or a patch. If you don't see it right away, swipe along the toolbar. It's often grouped with other local adjustment tools. Next, switch the mode to Heal. In Lightroom Mobile, the Remove panel can offer a few options. Heal blends the texture and tone from a clean source area into the area you're fixing, which is ideal for skin, subtle marks, and small distractions. If you're curious, Clone simply copies pixels without blending, but today we're using Heal to keep things natural. Now pinch to zoom in closely on the imperfection. Getting in tight helps you make more precise strokes and avoid softening details you want to keep. You can pan around the image with 2 fingers to position the area right in the center of your screen. Tap once for tiny spots or paint gently over larger blemishes. Lightroom will automatically choose a nearby source area to patch from. If the result doesn't look quite right, drag the source circle to a cleaner, similarly lit area for a better match. You can also adjust brush size, feather, and opacity in the tool controls. A slightly soft feather helps the edges blend, and keeping the brush just a bit larger than the blemish gives a clean, natural result. Use short strokes and undo if needed to try again. Work your way through the distractions you want to remove, zooming in and out to check the overall look. When you're happy with the healing, tap the check mark in the top right corner to save your localized edits. Your changes are non-destructive, which means you can always come back to the Remove tool later to refine or adjust your work. That's it. You've launched Lightroom, selected a photo, opened the Remove tool, switched to Heal, zoomed in for precision, painted away imperfections, and saved your edits. With a little practice, this becomes a quick, reliable part of your mobile editing workflow.